All right, we are back. We are in the middle of nowhere, the creek, a local creek, and we are stuck in a big school of carps, and we're just trying to find out how to get to them. There's Royer right there. Say hi, Royer.
Oh no, don't go that way.
Yeah, they are in the other side. I'm gonna try to take a peek for you guys. There's probably 20
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
carps, something like that.
There's 10 just in that little.
Yeah, so see what I can get a peek from. Basically, they're hanging around all this area right here. The rocks.
Keeping warm. There's
a big drop off right here. Probably, I don't know, 10 feet. They're all schooled out.
I think we can cross and go up and down.
Yeah. And our stuff are over there in this sandbag. So we don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna figure it out. But this is the whole area. Look at how beautiful this place is. It's just a big pool of water all the way back there, but that's where the cars are hanging around in all this area right here. So let's just set up, see what we can find out, how we can reach them. Alrighty, don't worry about my line. Go ahead. Don't worry about my line. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Don't worry about my line. All right, we got Royer hooked up. First carp of the day. Over there. Go over the tree if you can. There we go. There we go. All right, we got him headed shore, but that's it. We got our first one. Royer's first creek carp. All right, let's weigh this. What's up, Royer?
First carp of the day.
Hey. Royer's rod has been hot all day. I mean, he's been getting hit and hit. Yeah, make sure she don't hit the. You want to slide it up a little higher? There we go. Yeah, that'll work.
Right in the bottom split.
So yeah, so we casting that way. That's our ruts right there. We casting that way. We had a run earlier. We didn't have any hooks hooked up, but that's it. During the time, we got our first carp. Hold it right there for the camera. Hold it right there for the camera. A little bitty one, I'd say about 5 pounds probably. 4 pounds, you know. Not bad. Alrighty, Royers. First carp of the day. Let's give a nice last look. There she goes. Nice and good. There she goes. Beautiful. How's that feel, bro? Took a little bit of time. Too much time, if you ask me. Going back to the same spot. The tree.
Oh, watch out for your rod tip, dude.
You hold it right here? Real bad one, real bad one. Stop recording. There we go. Second carp of the day. Made a mess. Another 5 pounder. Oh man. What we do for fishing, people. Look at that. I was not bored to be doing crab like that. Alright. Well, nobody's come today. We don't have nothing big. Another 5-pounder. Hey, but it's better than nothing. It's hard to land a fish in here. You saw what I had to do. So these 5-pounders are worth it. Every single pound. Nobody's come today. The other two have this fish. That's a proper release. Dun, dun. Alrighty. 2 carps. Not a lot of action. The week didn't get skunked. That's important. This is with this guy right here. I think these carps in here are spawning. There was a lot of jumping, splashing fire where we were throwing. But like they say, you know, not all fish are spawning all at the same time, so we were able to land two 5-pounders. Nothing impressive, but it's good to be back making videos. Just fish on later. We'll see you in the next one.